Good morning, students. Welcome to our English class. Today is our topic that is of English grammar, that is transformation of sentences. Today we had taken our first topic of transformation of sentences, in that first affirmative sentence and the negative sentence. Students, transformation of sentences deals with so many interchanging of the sentences, but today's our topic and focus is 100% on the affirmative sentence into negative sentences. Okay, let's see, and that the same negative sentence into affirmative sentence. By using the few words, how can we interchange these sentences, that we come to know. First of all, what do you mean by affirmative sentence? Affirmative sentence, that means the positive sentence will not use any negative words, instead will use all the positive words, and that manner will give little negative impact also in that, and that manner we are using the negative, we are making the affirmative sentence. Okay, now what do you mean by the negative sentence? By using the negative words, whatever the sentence been made, that is called the negative sentence. Clear, student? So that is what the difference between affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Repeating, affirmative sentence, that means to use the affirmative words, and negative sentence, that means the use of a negative words. But always remember, student, in affirmative sentence no negative words are used. कोई भी negative words का use होता नहीं है. Instead use of the affirmative words only. Clear? Affirmative sentence, in short, it's a positive sentence. Negative sentence, that means it's a sentence with the negative words. Clear, everyone? Now we will learn how can we change the affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Rule 1. Only, alone, merrily. These words being changed, replaced by none but. None but, it is for person. Nothing but, for things. Not more than or not less than, that is for number. So students, in short, if I say कि in your sentence if only, alone and merrily is given, then if these words are used for any person, I have to use none but. If it is used for anything, I have to use nothing but. If it is used for numbers, I have to use not more than. For example, only Allah can help us. Only Allah can help us. So Allah is a God. None but Allah can help us. Got it? This is what your affirmative sentence, and this is what our negative sentence. Clear, student? Another example, he has only a ball. He has only a ball. It's a thing. तो थिंग के लिए हमने क्या यूज़ किया है? He has nothing but a ball. Clear? He has only 10 taka. He has not more than 10 taka. Clear? Only, that is used for number. We have used not more than. Thing, we have used nothing. Person, we have used none. Got it? So only, alone and merrily, that is replaced by none but person. None but for person. Nothing but for thing. Not more than, not less than, that is for number. Understood, student? This is what our first rule while we are changing affirmative to negative. That the same manner, vice versa. So not more than, convert into the alone and merrily. That word also you can use it over here. Rule number 2. Must replaced by cannot but, cannot help plus verb plus ing. That is called the gerunds. For example, must की जगह पे होगा cannot but और cannot help plus gerund. We must obey our parents. So negative word would be we cannot but obey our parents. We cannot but obey our parents. And another example of it, we cannot help obeying our parents. We cannot help obeying our parents. Cannot help and then verb plus ing. So that is the replacement of a must for affirmative sentence to negative sentence. Clear? Rule number 3, both and. If both and words are there, that is replaced by not only but also. For the example, both Dolon and Dola were excited. Then negative would be not only Dolon but also Dola were excited. Again repeating, both and convert into not only but also. Both and not only but also. This is our affirmative sentence. Do you find any of the negative words? No, but in negative you will find it. Got it? Next rule. And if join two words replaced by not only but also. He was obedient and gentle. For example, if I said Margie was happy and excited. So negative would be Margie was not only happy but also excited. Here I made this, he was obedient and gentle. So this is my affirmative sentence. And negative, he was not only obedient but also gentle. This is my negative sentence. So students, what do you find over here? Do you find that meaning has changed? No. Remember always this thing. Will not change the meaning of the sentence at any course. Next rule. Everyone, everybody, every person, all replaced by there is no plus attached word plus but. ये रूल बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, बहुत बच्चे मिस्टेक करते हैं इसमें. एवरी मदर लव्स हर चाइल्ड. Answer, every mother. Every convert into there is no. Mother would be mother, but then after we'll write the but. So there is no plus we'll write the noun, then after we'll write but, and then same to same sentence. There is no mother but loves her child. Clear? Next sentence or next rule. As soon as replaced by no sooner had than. Clear? So in my sentence, affirmative sentence में हमारे पास होगा as soon as. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. This is my affirmative sentence. And why am I making it negative? Then instead of as soon as, I have to write no sooner had. What I have to write? No sooner had the thief saw the police, he ran away. Comma, he will write then here. हमें क्या लिखना है यहाँ पे? Then. Here it is a typing mistake. Then will come. No sooner had the thief saw the police, then he ran away. Please, while you note it down in your notebook, just add that no sooner, then we write then over here. Clear, student? As soon as, right? This is what our affirmative sentence. But while am I making it negative? Instead of as soon as, I have to use no sooner had. Understood? Then after, we'll go ahead with the next rule. absolute superlative degree replaced by no other plus attached word plus so plus positive form plus s plus subject. Example, affirmative sentence. Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. See student, this is what they are talking about, superlative degree. Superlative degree, I hope you know. For example, if I said good, better, best, the good is what? Positive, better is a comparative, and best is a superlative. That the same manner, biggest, est, that is my superlative degree. So superlative degree sentence that we have to convert with the positive degree by adding no other. उसके साथ मुझे क्या डालना है? No other. Superlative degree convert into the positive degree by adding no other, and then biggest convert into the big, that is positive verb, right? And then after whatever the subject, that would be the same. Okay, superlative degree convert into positive degree, and then no other to add. Dhaka is the biggest city in the Bangladesh. No other city is as big as Dhaka in Bangladesh. Dhaka is the biggest city. So no other city is as big as Bangladesh. Students, remember this thing. See here, do you find the meaning of the sentence has changed? No. Meaning of the sentence will never change, and it should not change. If you change the meaning, your answer would be incorrect. Got it? Now we'll see the next rule. Sometimes affirmative sentences are changed into negative by using opposite words. Before the word, of course, not is used. Right? So, I shall remember you. Negative would be I shall not forget you. Are you getting me, students, what I mean to say? Here, if in your sentence, just like Mona is absent today. So that is what? Mona is absent today is affirmative sentence. And negative would be Mona is not present today. Right? Evelyn was upset. So Evelyn was not happy. Right? So what it meant to say? Okay, we can use the opposite word. Remember become forget. पर forget के आगे मुझे क्या लगाना होगा? Not. I also have to use not in my negative sentence. Only I will write I shall forget you. तो ये this would be opposite sentence हो जाएगा. We don't have to change the meaning of the sentence. The meaning of the sentence should be same. Next is always replaced by never. If in your sentence always is there, that is replaced by never. Raven always attend the class. Raven never misses the class. Got it? Attends opposite miss, and always never. So both would be there, and that manner we have converted the sentence. And see, meaning is not changed. Raven always attend the class. Raven रोज class attend करता है. Raven never miss है. Raven कभी भी class miss करता नहीं है. So both the meanings are same. But here no negative words. Here negative words with the same meaning. Got it? So this is what our rule number 9. Always convert into never. Opposites word. Opposite words are used, but with the uses of a not. Opposite words to use, but with the not. Clear? Now we'll see the next slide. Rule number 10. T replaced by so that, or cannot and could not. That is depend upon the past tense of the sentence. So that is we have that is in our sentence in 8th standard also, in 9th also we have remove to. right? So remove to, in place of that we have to use so that, right? So that the same manner, he is too weak to walk. So that convert into he is so weak that he cannot walk. He is so weak. So weak to becomes so and cannot. Why cannot? Because in my sentence it is a present tense. Is there, then I have to use cannot. If was is here, then I have to use could not. Got it, student? Is, cannot. Was or were, then could not. Right? And TOO, to and to, that convert into so and that. Understood? So that manner, he is too weak to walk, a positive, affirmative sentence. And negative, he is weak that he cannot walk. Clear? Now rule number 11, as and as replaced by not less than. For example, positive degree sentence, Simi was as wise as Rimi. Negative, Simi was not less wise. Got it? As and as, positive degree sentence convert into not less than. Simi was not less wise than Rimi. Simi was not less wise than Rimi. Less than, not less. ये वाला word हमने use करना है. As, in place of as we have to use not less, and another as we have to use then. पहले वाले as की जगह लिखेंगे not less, दूसरे वाले as की जगह लिखेंगे then. Got it? The next rule, universal truth are changed by making them negative interrogative. अब universal truth होगा, in that sense we don't have to change the sentence, we have to change the we have to make it in negative interrogative. The sun sets in the west. Doesn't the sun set in the west? Doesn't. Why doesn't? Because sets is there. If here only set is there, then I would have written do, don't. And if here set is there, only set, then it is a past tense, so didn't come, right? But before that, what I mean to say, this is what the subject attribute I want to, subject agreement. But now doesn't, here the sentence is in the positive form, so while I am giving the answer, that is always in the negative. So the sun sets in the west, so doesn't the sun set in the west? I have used does, that's why set will come set only, not sets. Okay, does, set. Doesn't. Why doesn't? Because I am making the negative sentence, and there the meaning should be same, and this is the universal truth. And while the universal truth, I have to make the negative interrogative sentence. According to that, I have to convert affirmative sentence into the negative. Please learn this point very perfectly. Clear बेटा? चलो आगे बढ़ेंगे. Next rule. Now the different words will come that replace with what? Sometimes replaced by not always. If in your sentence sometimes is there, Raven sometimes visits me. Raven does not always visit me. Sometimes visits that becomes doesn't. Visit होता तो don't, visited होता तो didn't. Got it? ये सब्जेक्ट का टेंसेस का बता दिया मैंने कि आपके टेंस में यहाँ एस है, दैट्स वाई आई हैव यूज डज, राइट. नॉट तो मुझे लेना ही लेना है बिकॉज समटाइम्स दैट इज चेंज इनटू नॉट ऑलवेज, राइट. सो समटाइम्स रिप्लेस विद द नॉट ऑलवेज. ओके, so Raven doesn't always visit me. Got it, student? Raven doesn't always visit me. Then after many replaced by not a few. Many replaced by not a few. I have many friends. And negative, I do not have few friends. मीनिंग इज सेम. मैनी के लिए हमने कौन सा वर्ड यूज किया? few. Okay, for many I have to use word few. Clear? Now the next, a few replaced by not many. A few replaced by not many. For example, Bangladesh has a few scholars. And a few, I have to write Bangladesh doesn't have many scholars. Right? Why doesn't? Has, hai. So obviously my sentence is in the present tense. Doesn't plus have, that make it has. Right? So doesn't have many. A few become many. A few का आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? Many. Plus not is always there in my negative sentence. Bangladesh has not many scholars. No, Bangladesh doesn't have many scholars. Meaning should be same, right? Much replaced by a little. Much replaced by a little. Affirmative sentence, he belongs much money. Negative, he does not belong a little money. Belongs hai, that's why does will come. Negative sentence, so not will come. Belongs becomes belong because es already we had taken here. So he does not belong. Much become a little. Much become a little. Right? Now, next rule. So answer here, he doesn't belong a little money. A little replaced by not much. A little replaced by what? Not much. Dolon has a little riches. Dolon has a little riches. So a little convert into what? Much. A little means not much, right? Not much. So here it is, a little. Answer, Dolon has a little riches. Dolon has become doesn't have. Has का हमने क्या किया है? Doesn't have. Why doesn't? Because does, it is for has, and does plus have. Not, that is for negative sentence. Not much, that is the answer of a little. Got it? So a little convert into not much. The rest of answer would be same. Meaning would be same. There would be no change. Clear, student? See, students, always remember one very important thing. While we are doing replacement or interchanging affirmative sentence into negative and negative sentence into affirmative, few rules that is so thorough to us, or else with a very silly mistake that will give the wrong answer. Though this is a 1 mark question, but it is this affirmative negative definitely there in all the exam for all the students. So you all have to work for that. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, सेक्शन सी को बहुत कंसिडर ही नहीं करते. Grammar part, you student, you won't consider, but this is what the mistake you are doing. If you attend the grammar perfectly, at least you try na, definitely we used to give you mark, but you need that, you have to try it. Got it, student? So this is what this we have done, the how we have to change affirmative sentence into negative sentence. And while we are changing affirmative sentence into negative sentence, what are the different words that gets changed, that get replaced by with the other words, and that is also I have given with the example. Students, this all notes from the beginning of the second slide of my PPT. All the notes that is to be there in your CW without fail. Not a single word to be missing from your CW. Remember this thing. I noted down everything what we are doing. Whatever the lessons, grammar part, the CDs, everything we are having the record of it. So please keep everything in your notebook. Those who have not yet made the notebook are requested to make it right now and start working with that. If you keep your work lingering, then again you have face a problem. Now we'll see the last points to remember. Do not change the meaning of the sentence. This is the thumb rule of all the transformation of sentences. That is, you will never change the meaning of the sentence. Very, very important. To make an affirmative sentence, words like refuse, refrain, avoid, refrain का मतलब होता है stop, not to allow, to do that, avoid, hardly, unable, unwilling, abstain, absence, without, stop, fail, etc. are used. These are the affirmative words, student. So while am I making negative sentence into affirmative, so instead of using negative words, I have to use this affirmative words. And rest methods I taught you that how you have to change. So while you are making the affirmative sentence, you need to go with the affirmative words only. And the thumb rule, meaning of the sentence should not change. Then after, to make a negative sentence, words like not, no, none, never, neither, not only, etc. are used. This is also very important. So while am I changing? But just now we had seen whatever the affirmative sentence, whatever the words we are changing, everywhere we found the not, none, no, not, not only, right? So what it mean to say? Okay, while in a sentence we have affirmative, while we our sentence is affirmative and I have to make it negative, so definitely my negative word should be there in my sentence. In affirmative sentence, no negative words to use. No भी उसके अंदर आना चाहिए नहीं. My affirmative sentence, no negative words, while in my negative sentence, no, only and only negative words that to use. But you can also use the affirmative words also in this. Clear? I hope you are clear with this. So this is what the points you have to remember. This also you have to write in your CW. इन एज अ ग्रामर पार्ट, कोई सेपरेट पोर्शन नहीं बनाना है, कंटिन्यूएशन पेज पे ही लिखना है. आफ्टर वॉट एवर द लेसन्स ऑफ पोम्स इट कवर्स, आफ्टर दैट वॉट एवर द नेक्स्ट पेज कमिंग, इन दैट यू हैव टू कीप द टाइटल transformation of sentences, in that first topic affirmative and negative, and that manner whatever the first notes, write it down all the notes, right? And then after this one also you would be writing, that is points to remember. Clear everyone? Now we'll move with our exercise. For that, for you I had done this one of the example. There was absence of any ceiling. There was absence of any ceiling. So affirmative sentence into negative. So I am changing affirmative sentence into negative. Let's we see. So answer would be there was no ceiling. Right? Then I was unaware of anything for certain. Certain का spelling मेरा यहाँ पे missing है, आप थोड़ा cover कर लेना. I was unaware of anything for certain. So answer would be did not know. Did not know, that means I would be writing I did not know anything for certain. Right? I did not know anything for certain. Here just write it down and without fail. I did not know anything for certain. Then after next sentence, it was, sorry student. Okay, now we'll go with our sentences. It was a very old book. Here I am going to I am doing one or two sentences for you. Rest all you have to do by your own. It was a very old book. Then it would be it was not a new book. Clear? It was a very old book. That becomes it was not a new book. Another sentence we will take. They learned the same things. That they learned the same things. Answer would be they did not learn the different things. Got it? They did not learn the different things. Clear? So that manner you have to do, or rest of the other questions. Most of the teachers discouraged her. So most of the teachers did not encourage her. Did not है तो आगे पीछे encourage आएगा. नेक्स्ट पीपीटी में जब नेक्स्ट लेक्चर होगा मैं ये सारे आंसर्स रखने वाली हूँ. नॉट एज एन आंसर, आई विल जस्ट कीप अ पीडीएफ फाइल और अ वर्कशीट. उसके हिसाब से मैं आंसर रख दूंगी. जस्ट गो थ्रू दैट. प्लीज राइट इट डाउन all the sentences with answer, and then at the next lecture just cross check it. Okay, here are furthermore the same affirmative sentence into negative. इसमें आपको भी वही करना है. affirmative sentence को negative sentence में convert करना है. Okay, now the next is a convert negative sentence into affirmative. Right, this is here are the example for you. You may give them your love but not your thoughts. This is my negative sentence. I have to convert that into affirmative. You may give them your love but you are unable to give them your thoughts. Right, so instead of not, I make it unable. None of us never felt any difference in our upbringing. All of us different from ever feeling any differences in our upbringing. Right, none of us, all of us, never, different. Then after the rest sentence will be same. And then at the last we have the 10 sentences. Albert Einstein was not a bad pupil. So simple answer, Albert Einstein was a good pupil. Right, the dark did not matter. The dark did not matter. The dark hardly any matters. Okay, got it? Another will take, it's not our kind of school. It's not our kind of school. It's refrain to be our kind of a school. Okay, so that manner you can write the answer of this all different question. Students, try each and every question's answers to write. If you face any problem, keep writing with pencil. So if any changes would be there, then it will be corrected. Okay, just like it's not our kind of school, it's unlike our kind of school. Right, then another sentence if I said, that is don't listen through your ears. Then avoid listening through your ears. Right, don't listen through your ears. That becomes avoid listening through your ears. Got it? So that manner complete all the answers in your worksheet. Complete fully and nicely complete all the answers. If you have doubt in any answers, then write with pencil. So in the next lecture we will just cross check it. Got it everyone? Please go through all the notes and learn it properly. Okay, thank you beta.